My name is Vibha Chavra and I want to apply for a finance associate role. I am a good fit for this role because I am MBA finance and I have done big Bachelor of Commerce, and I also worked with securities and stock market when before I was as a financial analyst position. So, like as you mentioned here, that maintaining accurate records of cash, and non-cash securities that are held in trust by the association as a bond. So I can obviously work for this post, and I can handle this workload. And I also used to enter and post entries and transactions in the system for Oracle e-business suite or other transactions for inbuilt tools and inbuilt applications we had for our organization. And for recording cash and non-cash securities in the database, I can do that because I have similar experience also, and accounting experience also, dealing with the banks and their deposits and withdrawals. I can do that easily. We used to also I know about debenture bonds which we used to have. So like as you mentioned, Trisura bonds and letter of credit and pledges, I can maintain accurate records for all these agreements. In my previous organization, we used to have agreements and contracts. So I used to read that contracts and agreements, and any discrepancies, I used to communicate that and record that in our system. And as making checklists also, all that there I have done. And as you mentioned here, the tracking bonds to ensure that adequate security is maintained at all time, and that bonds are either renewed or their expiry approved and funds dispersed if applicable in a timely manner. I can all do that. And I have worked with Oracle eBusiness Suite as I mentioned. So for this Sage also I can work, and maintain accurate records of basic dues areas and fee payable or paid by the membership. So in the while I was as a financial analyst, I worked with accounts payables and account receivable. So we I used to dealt with dues and overpayments or underpayments from the client. So communicating them for the all the payments, and recording them and reconciling all the dues, all the invoices and the purchase orders which we used to have. So I would like to say that I can easily work for this job posting. And I have mentioned that I work with account receivable. So like I can also support account finance and administration department, and can work for and support account receivable and accounts payable department also. And as you have mentioned about Excel, I have worked with Microsoft Excel. I would like to show a little bit about Microsoft Excel and Oracle e-business suite. This is a little presentation which I have made about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a program that carries spreadsheet for better storage and modification of information. With the help of it, users can store large worksheets and make tables and charts. When one requires to keep data in a particular prop and systematic order, Microsoft Excel is the answer. So when you will open Microsoft Excel, you will see this. So you should know what you should tell about this office button, ribbons, and formula bar. This is also an example. And while the analysis, you require to sort, you require to filter. As we use in SQL, we use sorting, we use filtering to extract the data. In the same way, in Microsoft Excel also we can sort and we can filter out. And VLOOKUP is also to and formula, so that we if you want to look something uh, in a particular table, we can easily use VLOOKUP. This is one example, and this is another example. I also make a pivot table, because in pivot table, you can analyze data systematically. So for that, pivot table is used. And print, whenever you want to print, you can easily print. I have also done this, as you mentioned, scanning. So I can do scanning, I can do printing. I have worked with printer. So as you mentioned that you have to work with printers also, so and scanners, so I can do scan the documents. And if you have any questions, you can please contact me. And another, I want to like to mention about Oracle. I will tell you about little bit about that also. This is Oracle e-business suite, and it contains everything. I have worked with accounts payable and accounts receivable and general ledger module. Is e-business suite is the one stop for all the HR or payroll or finance, uh, all the modules you have in e-business suite. Like financial, you have general ledger, receivable, payable, assets. So this is all what I was talking about, that Sage and account Oracle e-business suite. If you have worked with one, you can also easily work with another also. Thank you. I just want to mention here that I'm a good fit for this, and please consider my profile. Thank you.